These Easter dirt pudding cups are a fun holiday treat that the kids will love and can even help prepare. Layers of chocolate pudding and crushed cookies topped with Easter candy. Ingredients: 15-ounce package double stuff Oreo cookies, 3.4-ounce box white chocolate pudding mix, 2 cups milk, 8-ounce container frozen whipped topping.
En bag Easter Cadbury Mini Eggs.
1 box assorted Easter Bunny Peeps. Green sprinkles optional. Instructions: 1. Empty the contents of the white chocolate pudding mix into a large mixing bowl. Add 2 cups of milk and whisk together until blended. 2. Once blended well, fold in 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Continue to fold until the pudding and whipped topping are fully combined. There should be no visible lumps. 3. Then, place the Oreo cookies in the food processor and pulse until the Oreos appear to be ground into a dirt-like consistency. 4. Place 2 tablespoons of ground Oreo cookies in the bottom of your dessert cup. Next, place a layer of pudding over the Oreo cookie layer. Then, place another layer of ground Oreo cookies over the pudding layer. Repeat again with a layer of pudding. Add as many layers as you would like that will fit into your dessert dish. 5. Finally, place a final layer of ground Oreo cookies on the top. 5. Place in the refrigerator for 1 hour. When you are ready to serve, garnish with Easter Peeps and Easter egg candies. 6. Serve immediately. Keep refrigerated when not being eaten. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.